So hello everyone, welcome back to the course of developing machine learning systems. Right now we are in the very beginning of Python module, and in this video we'll be learning about how we can install Python in our system. Whether it is Windows, Linux or Mac OS, we'll be using the same Anaconda installer to install the Python. Why? Because Anaconda installer makes it super easy to install Python, manage Python versions, and also all the packages required for data science or machine learning is readily available in the installer itself. So let's see how we can install Anaconda. First thing you need to do is go to your preferred web browser and search Anaconda download in it. Go to the very first link which you see here called Anaconda distribution. Once you click on it, you will see installer options. So right now I'm using Mac OS, so I'll be downloading the Mac installer, but you have options for Windows and Linux respectively. So if you click on download, you will see that it will start downloading, which is here. And if I show you, it's already started downloading right now. In order to install this particular package, just double click on this particular package in your download folder, and it will show you these options. Right now it says I want to run some basic checks to check if this particular software is able to install on the system or not. I'll just click on allow, and all you need to do is click on continue, next, agree, and similar words like that, because if you don't, you'll not be able to use it. So I'll click on continue, I'll click on yes, I'll continue, and I'm gonna agree to the license. So I'll click on agree. Once I click on agree, it will tell me the installation type. In case you want to change the location of installation, you can do that, but I don't recommend doing that because it will may later create some problems for you. So I'll just click on install, and definitely I'm gonna give access to the download folder now. Once it is installed, in order to check if this is installed correctly or not, all you need to do is search for Anaconda Navigator in the start menu or in the Linux application page or in your Mac OS. So if we click on Anaconda, Navigator, it will start opening the Anaconda Navigator. So the presence of Anaconda Navigator is enough to confirm that Anaconda is installed correctly. But I'll show you some more stuff. So right now, when the Anaconda Navigator is already opened, you can see there are a lot of softwares pre-installed. You have Jupyter Lab, you have Jupyter Notebook, you got Spider, you got Deep Note, and a lot of stuff. So we'll be using most of the softwares from here into the Python development. We'll be using Jupyter Notebook to write Python code and run it. And you can also see environments here. So right now there is already an environment created called days for you. What is environment, how you can create an environment, why you want to actually create an environment, that is something we'll be discussing in the next videos. But if you see this, that means Anaconda is installed correctly. One more way to check that is you can open terminal. Once you open the terminal, right now you see that base is written here. I mean, in Windows you can open Anaconda prompt, and Linux you can open command line. If you see base written here, that means your current terminal is in base environment of Conda. That's also a sign that Anaconda is installed correctly. In case you want to check which version of Python is installed, or if you want to run Python in this terminal, all you need to write is Python. So if you write Python and press enter, you will see you will enter in the Python interpreter, and it says Python 3.9.13 which is currently installed, that version, and where it is installed, Anaconda, and it will just give you basic commands there, like help, copyright, credits, and all, which you can run to get all of the stuff. Now you can run Python code here and you can execute it. Writing Python code, executing, that is something which we'll be covering in the next videos. But this is how you can install Anaconda in your system, which will install Python and all the necessary packages and softwares for you. In the next video, we'll be covering about what are Python environments, why you would like to use Python environment in Python development, and also how you can create environments, how you can delete an environment, shifting from one environment to another environment. That is something which we'll be discussing in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.